Vidyard has been passionate about video's impact long before it was considered a necessity. We've studied the trends, partnered with industry experts, and developed materials to help businesses succeed and drive results through the power of video. Customers trust us knowing this is our area of focus and expertise. Our solution is built from the ground up for marketing and sales teams looking for a creative way to connect with buyers and generate more business. With Vidyard, you're getting more than just a video hosting and messaging tool. Our solution provides enhanced features like video analytics, top-tier integrations, and in-video calls to action, helping our customers better engage viewers, track insights, and truly understand how video is working for their business. And we can't forget to mention that customers rave about our best-in-class support. The Vidyard team is always here to share their extensive knowledge and ensure the platform works best for everyone's unique goals and processes.